Hey guys, my name is Jen and welcome to my channel. It's Friday and it's a nice spring day here in Norway, and today we are going for a short walk, and of course I am going to show you one of the perks of living in the countryside here in Norway. So let's go.
All the way down.
Where do we go?
Huh?
I walk past all the way to the rock. Hello.
What?
I walk past all the way to the
Yes.
rock there and film a little bit.
You film, I'll wait there.
Det går fint. Hej! Aj, glatt. Unnskyld. Hej, hej! Ta. Hey guys, so finally we are here. I took a video of this beach last time as well, and that was in the fall, Kvitevik beach. The link is in the video description. So as you can see guys, look, the temperature today is around between 10 to 12 centigrades, and I think it's cold. I was actually thinking of swimming, but no, not yet. It's cold. So here it is. So this is the place that we always walk to when the sun is up, guys. Well, sometimes we go up there. That was the last time we went for a walk towards the lake. There's a lake towards there. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and of course mega love shout out to my channel supporters. Thank you for supporting my channel. Bye, and see you again on my next upload.